Good morning. It is Father's Day and it is 5:21 in the morning. We're gonna go fishing at some beach in San Diego. Me and my dad for Father's Day, and I think my mom's gonna tag along too. And we're just gonna go catch some fish. Check out the new addition to the family. It's a 5th gen TRD Pro 4Runner. My wife's new car, or truck, I should say. And there's Old Faithful. And then my dad's new truck, TRD Pro Tundra. He just got it yesterday. I think it's like a Father's Day present to himself. But yeah, we're just packing up right now. And we have everything all loaded up in the back. We have all the fishing rods right there, fishing rods there, cooler, tackle box, buckets. It's a mess right now. Haven't really figured out how to set up my truck fishing, but it's a work in progress. Okay, so we're all packed up and ready to go. We're gonna go fishing today. That's my dad. That's my mom. Where's my mom? There's my mom. We're gonna catch some fish, hopefully catch some fish, and then we're gonna try making some Baja tacos. And yeah, this is like my first time fishing, so I don't know what I'm doing, but my dad's been fishing a lot. My dad's been fishing like his whole life, I think, so it's gonna be something new, some Father's Day adventure.
Starting route to Torrey Pines State Beach.
It's so early. I'm not used to getting up this early. I'm one of those people that like wake up like half an hour before work and somehow shower and get ready and do all that and make it to work with like seconds before I clock in. Or I'm usually late, but yeah, it's pretty early for me. I'm not a morning person, but yeah. So the plan today is to get to the beach, set up, hopefully catch some fish, cook the fish, eat the fish, and then overall have a good time. My dad loves to fish, so it's a perfect Father's Day outing. And I always wanted to get into fishing. I mean, I guess it's not my first time fishing. I used to go fishing with my dad a lot when I was a kid. Like, I'm talking about like before 10 years old. So I don't really remember much. I don't know if I even caught any fish ever. But now I'm older, so now I can experience it for real. Okay, so we're all gassed up and we're gonna start heading out. Alright guys, we're here. We're at the beach. This place is called Torrey Pines. It's in San Diego. Torrey Pines State Beach. Gonna make some coffee and unload the truck. Find a nice little fishing spot. Weather's nice right now. I mean, I don't know if this is nice weather for fishing, but it's nice weather for me.
Did you put sugar?
Nope. Okay, so my dad just finished setting up all of the fishing rods, and we're gonna be bringing all this stuff and see what happens. Hopefully we catch some fish. It's pretty nice out here. Check this out. We're like literally on the beach. I think this is called surf fishing. I guess we're gonna try to catch some fish. My dad has like these spiked pipes to hold the fishing poles. I don't know. I think like we cast it and then we wait. Something like that. I'm just gonna follow the pro. So for bait today, we got sardines, anchovies, and shrimp. So my dad has 4 poles set up. He brought 4 fishing poles.
This is the 8-footer with number 8 hook and 1 on sinker. We're going to use shrimp.
Alright, we're gonna cast our first pole. And this one's a shrimp, guys, so hopefully fish like shrimp. Okay, so pole 2. We're doing the anchovies. What size is that pole?
Size 7.
That one's a 7-footer. So the 8-footer got the shrimp, and the 7-footer is getting an anchovy.
Yeah, number 6 hooks. Put it back again. Okay.
I have a shrimp. You want it for bait?
Oh yeah, sure. Where you get it from? Is that the ghost shrimp?
The ground.
Oh yeah, is that the ghost shrimp? Oh, that's good.
It's
that's
alive.
Perfect.
And then I also have a whole bunch of sand crabs.
Yeah. Some, please.
You want some?
Yeah. You don't want it?
No, I'm not. The fishing
Yeah.
really
Yeah.
sucks.
Can you toss them in here? Those are the best ones. Yeah, those are some, please. Those are the ones that are.
Thanks, man.
Hey, Sid, did you find your crab?
So this nice little boy just came up to us and gave us some bait. That's pretty cool. Fishing people are really nice.
Those sunfish are the best.
Shout out to that kid right there.
Sunfish and ghost shrimp are the best ones.
Really?
Sunfish, the one that we had, they're like frog. Put it in a small.
Okay, let me get out the way before I get hooked. Check out all this bait that little boy gave us.
They call it sand fleas.
So we're putting the sand fleas on the smaller rod.
See this one right here? The orange one, that is the egg right there. A lot of eggs. See that crack right there? Yeah, that's where you hook it. So when you throw it, it's still alive.
My dad's doing all the work. I'm telling you guys, I feel like Max right now. So if this is how Max feels, then that means he knows I love him, right? Anyways, we got pole 3 out. Well, we still gotta put new bait on pole 2, but we got pole 3 out. This is the one that has sand fleas on it. I think we got something already. This is the sand flea pole.
These are the best. Sand fleas and the ghost shrimp. It's a small fish. They didn't even swallow the thing. And
Dude, my dad barely just threw it and he already caught something with the sand fleas. Dude, I don't even think this fish like tried to eat the sand flea. I think my dad just hit it with a hook. Look. Just kidding, I don't know how fishing works.
oh yeah, that's a good bait. That's good for you. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Cool,
that's a good
thank
bait.
you.
Okay.
Dude, fishermen are like really nice. Dang.
Let's see. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone.
Okay, I think I messed that one up.
When you do it slowly, not too fast.
So pole 4 and pole 3, they're out there. Pole 2, we gotta put some bait on it. Pole 1 is gonna get some more shrimp.
I'll put again shrimp.
All right, guys, here goes pole 1.
Oh shit!
Fingers crossed we get something on this one. Pole 3 is the winner so far, and that's the cheapest pole. We haven't had much luck in a little while now, but we're still hopeful. I mean, there's got to be some fish, right? It's the freaking ocean. The tide's coming up like a lot. Okay, so we're gonna call it. The tide is getting really high and the waves are like pretty big right now. We only caught one fish. I think my dad said we're gonna eat the shrimp bait too. I mean, whatever. It's shrimp. Shrimp tacos for lunch. We have retrieved our pole holder things, and we're calling quits on this spot. This spot was like really promising when my dad caught that fish, like super fast. But after that, it was dead for a while, and we haven't gotten anything since. All right, so we didn't catch anything, so I'm just gonna cook our shrimp bait, deep fry it, and make some shrimp tacos. So this is my first time deep frying anything, so I hope I'm doing this right. The tails are cut off already?
Yeah. Should be ready to go now.
Thanks, man.
That's a little Coleman one?
Yeah, it's a Coleman, yeah.
At Walmart.
Yeah, it's a Coleman Trident, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just gonna pick one up last night, and I was like, no, I better not.
No, you should, man. It's really cool.
Yeah. It just looked a little bit small, but that's actually pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thanks, man. Okay, so the first batch looked like it came out pretty good. I'm making a big mess in my truck, but it's okay. Need more heat. Making a mess. I deep fried it in there.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness me! Any salsa?
Yeah, pico de gallo that my wife made. Yeah.
Oh wow!
the
You
batter.
guys are fancy. Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
enjoy.
We're jealous.
Thank you.
Yes, good job.
People are so nice over here. The shrimp, cabbage, pico de gallo. I mean, it came out pretty good. The last two batches were really good because they were like all like crispy and breaded and stuff. First batch was kind of just like fried shrimp. Well, guys, unfortunately we didn't catch any fish. Well, we caught one, but it wasn't really something that we could like catch and cook, so we ended up just deep frying our shrimp bait, which actually came out pretty good, but it would have been more rewarding if it was something that we actually caught. But there's always next time. But it was really fun hanging out with my dad for Father's Day and doing something that he wants to do. It makes me think about like when my kids grow up and they spend time with me. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah. Anyways, packing up the truck right now. Getting ready to go home. And that's it. Thanks again for watching, guys, and hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and thanks for continuing to support me. Thank you guys again.